Well, hello there. I'm DJ Than from Fairbanks, Alaska. This is Axes, Picks, Claw, Hammers, and Footstools. A multimedia, sight and sound, multimedia. A multimedia presentation, entirely non-profit, bringing rock and roll and other such music to the hinterland to all our boys abroad and all our ships at sea. You can't stop the signal, beaming the transmission from the Arctic all around the globe. Wherever there's air, we're there. We're bad. We're international. Axes, Picks, Claw, Hammers, and Footstools. Ding is on the air, but then, of course, it never goes off the air. That is the nature of the Endless Now and the Eternal Playlist. Hey, let's get ourselves a little bit of atmosphere. There we go. Get a little bit of fog and color. What do we got going on right now here in Axes, Picks, Claw, Hammers, and Footstools? Well, let me tell you. There's this great band, and there's kind of a connection that I will delve into here. The band is the Meat Puppets, a trio, Arizona trio. Brothers CURT and CRIS KIRKWOOD, and drummer DERRICK for most of their career until recently. But Derek BOSTRUM, the drummer, hails from right down the road, right south of here, at North Pole, Alaska. And I do believe his parents still live here. Anyway, so hometown boy makes good. Derek BOSTRUM, drummer of the Meat Puppets. Now, CURT and CRIS KIRKWOOD, CURT and CRIS KIRKWOOD, they, Arizona boys, and CURT's major influence in his life and in his guitar playing and in songwriting was Billy Gibbons from ZZ Top. He was a ZZ Top fanatic, and of course every interview that he gave, he would wax poetic about ZZ Top. Well, lo and behold, some of these interviews made their way to the man himself, to Billy Gibbons of ZZ Top, who gave the Meat Puppets a listen and said, these guys are good. These guys got what it takes for a long and brilliant career. Good on you guys. And I tell you, sometimes a word of encouragement from an idol, an influence, can kick you into overdrive, and that's exactly what it did to CURT. He put out an album with the other two puppets, and the album was called Huevos. And it is a sun-baked, dry as dry Arizona tribute, alternative, punky tribute to ZZ Top. And listen to that tone on the guitar. Talk about trying to get as close to Billy Gibbons as you can. This is it. So we're going to play the song Paradise off the Huevos album. And then we're going to go way back to Meat Puppets 2 from 1980 or 81. And we're going to listen to the song Split Myself in Two from 2. So first, a little Billy Gibbons worship, a little ZZ Top tribute from the Kirkwood brothers. Kirkwood brothers. Paradise, Meat Puppets.
Trail
They say that imitation is the sincerest form of flattery. And in this case, he's flattering the hell out of Billy Gibbons, I think. ZZ Top Meat Puppets take there. This is paradise indeed. Well, just to show that it wasn't always little Billy Gibbons worship. I mean, it's always in there, but, you know, the Meat Puppets have their own thing going on. So we're going to skip on back to Meat Puppets 2. Oh, first off, wait. If you're wondering, this and that, this, that, I'm trying to familiarize people with it. I call it the Hang Lucifer. So remember, Hang Lucifer. This is Split Myself in Two from Meat Puppets 2. I believe 1982. Meat Puppets 2, Split Myself in Two. Little country punk or cowpunk or some sort of twisted variation of the country and punk. Anyway, Meat Puppets from Meat Puppets 2, Split Myself in Two. And who am I? I'm DJ Than from Fairbanks, Alaska. And what is this? Station identification. This is axes, picks, claw, hammers, and footstools that you have tuned in and turned on to, and I hope to see you here in the endless now again, because the eternal playlist grinds on and on whether you are here or not. Don't you miss it. Don't you miss it. Don't you miss it. Some of you people just about missed it. Can't be. Get a subscription. It's free. Drop a comment. I'll get back to you. And if you like the music, hit the like. All right, then. Got all our ducks in a row. Be seeing you.